All right, so I'll make this intro short and sweet. I'm gonna take care of some of this grass real quick to make some mulch. So I'm just gonna get right into cutting this. It looks really juicy and I've been looking at it for a few days. So I'll talk more about the compost in a minute when I get to that part. And yeah, that's it. Well, I'll show you real quick about the mulch, but I have to go to a dinner after this. Does it look like I mowed the lawn? If I used a weed eater, I'd be green. So, one nice thing about it. All right, one way I'm trying to combat this knotweed here, besides pulling it whenever I can and just throwing it on top to dry, which does work to a point, I mulch. And that's one of the many benefits of mulching, is suppressing the weeds and feeding the soil, and it holds moisture. There's many reasons to do it, but right now main focus is seed suppression. That's why I'm going to try to lay it pretty thick in a smaller area where if I could help it, I would spread it out as much as possible. But there's not a bare spot in my garden really, so that's kind of it, is you don't want bare soil. Again, mulch, it really helps. There's a lot of reasons. Oh, and there's one grass seed. If I see them, just toss them in the lawn, I guess. I don't think they'll be as much of a problem as this bindweed here. This is going to keep sprouting up, and that's as simple as it is. That will slow down this grass for sure, and the bindweed even. It just, and later on I'm going to go and pull this all back and get it up by the roots too. So I think that'll all help with this. And I'm doing something I'll show you later as far as planting, like, yeah, I'm doing something different with planting, so hopefully there's the layer of cardboard or paper, you know, in the way, and just kind of a temporary weed barrier until I get a bunch of growth and roots to hopefully slow everything down as far as the roots from the bottom. So there's no way to pull it out, not now. But that's it, that's mulching. I'm gonna get rid of these sticker bushes so I don't have to dig them out later.